Hello traders, thank you for taking the interest into Tradeparrot connector. My name is Alex and I'll quickly take you through the setup of the connector. For those with no context, this connector allows traders to set alerts from TradingView and trigger them on MetaTrader platform. This can be MT5 or MT4. Basically, it'll let you place trades automatically based on alerts or strategy and trigger them on MT platform. To begin, we need to download and configure Tradeparrot, so let's do that. I've already got MT5 EA downloaded, so I'll just go straight to my MT5. Once you've downloaded the file, it will pop into your desktop or whatever you save it, and then you open your data folder. You can copy it straight into your MQL expert. I've got it here. It's already downloaded. Now it will pop up here. If you can't see it, you probably have to reopen MT5 or refresh. It should be somewhere here. In order to configure it, so we need to attach the Tradeparrot to a chart. That's quite easy. Right and click on Tradeparrot and attach. Now we need a license for it to work. This license you can get from the tradeparrot.net website, which is right here on your dashboard. Once you've logged in, this is your license number. It's very important. This needs to be exact. It needs to match, otherwise it will not work. On top of this, your license number and MT5 account needs to match in here. You can edit here anytime you like on your dashboard. Once you've got your account set up, you log into your dashboard and change it here. You might have multiple licenses and multiple attached and different MT accounts, but for the sake of demonstration here, you've got just this one. So you copy the license and we'll paste it in here. This should be it. You do need to allow algo trading, so we need to make sure you got that. You also need to make sure you're allowed web requests. So go to your tools, options, and expert advisors. To allow web requests for listed URLs, you need to add https get.tradeparrot.net. This needs to be added in here, otherwise your expert advisor won't be able to connect, and you will not. I can disallow it here, and you will get some errors here with the web request. So this is important. It needs to be on. Next step is because we've got it all working now. We've got the account. This is my MetaTrader account. I'll take trades, and it's just waiting for my alerts to be set. So I'll go to TradingView. I click the plus on the alerts. I can choose any pair you like. I've got a USD JPY here. Obviously you set your alerts however you like. For the demonstration here, I don't really want to wait here for the alert to happen, so I'll just immediately trigger the alert by putting a greater than, say, 1. which the price is. So the price needs to be above 1, and let's just trigger the alert. I can call the alert USDJPY. Now here is the magic that you need to add in the message of the alert. You need to add the license, which obviously we've taken from the website, from the Tradeparrot dashboard. This license obviously needs to be active and valid, otherwise it's not going to work. We set our trade based on your alert, whichever way you want to go. You can go buy or sell. This is important also. Obviously you can have an instrument you like, but as long as it matches the one that you want to trigger on your metatrader. So your metatrader here, your market watch, these are the names that you can match. Otherwise if you do lowercase or have some prefix or suffix, it's not going to work. So it needs to be exact, precise. We got USDJPY, so this is what we're going to trigger. Now the Tradeparrot EA does not need to be on more than one chart. In fact, it should only be attached to one chart per account. Otherwise you might get into some trouble. See, it can be attached to any chart. It does not count ticks. It connects to the Tradeparrot servers on a time basis, not on a tick, not per tick. So even if the chart dies, in a way there's no movement on the market or something, the candles doesn't, new candle doesn't, there's no new tick, it will always receive the trigger. So what I'm going to do here is going to trigger this alert here, notifications. So you need to also add the webhook URL. So it's important. HTTPS post tradeparrot.net. This is obviously important, or it's not going to work. And for ourselves, we're just going to do a show pop-up so we know that it's been triggered. So once this been triggered here, it will pop up as soon as it's say we created and saves. It should initiate a new trade in MetaTrader. So I click create, and then within 1 second receive the trade trigger for buy, market 01 lot with 10%, what was it, 50 pips take profit and 50 pips stop loss. So we should be able to see that on the on the chart here. Here it is, 50 points and 50 points. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below the video or contact Tradeparrot via the website. All the best. Thank you.